to show you how I do the countdown, and this stops kids from contacting IT or screaming, teacher, teacher, teacher. I'll just get rid of the effects here. This is my normal iTutor, except for not the uniform. This is my iTutor background, and I put in a layer here of the iTutor logo. When I do the 1-on-3 phonics, I bring the logo down here, so it comes right in. But here it's up here. Okay, this is how I will transfer right when it is ready to go. So I'm going to show you as if there's like 30 seconds to go. Of course, I log in 10 minutes before my first lesson, and I log in usually 4 minutes in between each lesson when I have back-to-back 25s and such. So you can see down here, that's my countdown page. It's just another preset. So you set up a preset, and I'll transfer to it right now. And so what I do is you go up here for the timer, and you make sure that it's enabled. See, if it's not enabled, it's not going to show. You enable it. You make sure you pick the size of it. And so let's just say, like, I'm just first logging in, and I got 10 minutes to go. I'm going to put in 100 on the clock and just press it. I sync it right away with what I need. Of course, we're not going to listen to me for 10 minutes. So I'm going to put in 30 seconds here. So last 30 seconds, you're getting ready for class. You've got your headset muted. Kids really like to see this, and they actually start to count a little bit. And maybe you want to just have a little Bitmoji or emoji here. And you can start doing this on the screen at the last 10 seconds, and kids like that. And then once you're ready to go, you're going to click down here and transfer in. So I always have this open. And then right to my Chrome. So we'll just go like this, and I would then start right like, hello, hello, nice to meet you. And of course, if it's regular, I'm not saying that. And then I also did a lower third here, and I would say, hi, I'm teacher Lee from Canada. So I use a lot of these. The presets are good. I like them. But just make a preset, come down here, go over, press the plus button, make a new preset, make a layer that's just a background, just a plain old background, any color, and then bring in some school type scholastic images and enable the timer over here. And I hope that helps.